friends, today we're going to learn how to draw fruits. That's right. What's your favourite fruit? I love cherries, so I'm going to start with those. 2 cherries side by side. It looks almost like a heart shape, but a bit rounder. A little bit of shine, some stems and leaves. That was easy. Now, some long shapes for bananas. We're doing a bunch, so 3 in a row. Next, it's an apple. A little bit like cherries with a little dent in the bottom too. And of course, much bigger. And a pear shape. We all know what a pear shape looks like. Is that right? And a slice of watermelon. That's right. So you've got a curvy bottom and a triangular top. Some seeds. Last but not least, we're going to draw a bunch of grapes, starting with the ziggy-zaggy leaf and the stem, and then lots of circles side by side, layering it like so. And there you have it. Time to paint. Ooh, green first. We're going to paint the leaves of our cherries. And red. Do you like cherries? Me too! Lovely. Next is going to be the bananas. Yellow, because they're going to be nice and ripe bananas. Have you ever tried having banana with honey? It's amazing, especially in a sandwich. Round for the ends of our bananas and the stem. Now green for our apple leaf. And red for our apple. Of course, we can get apples in varying colours, so you can choose what colour you'd like yours to be, but we're doing a nice red juicy apple. There. Time to paint our pear leaf. And we're using a lighter green for the pear itself. Carefully painting in between the black border. And it's done. There you go. Red next for the main part of our watermelon. Ooh, delicious. I love eating these on a hot summer's day. And green for the rim. Last but not least, we're going to do our lovely purple bunch of grapes. And grapes come in different colours too. Red, black, green, light, dark. So you can pick and choose your favourite ones. I like the dark ones because they are the sweetest. One more to colour. And now we do the leaf. What a lovely leaf it is too. And there you go. If you've enjoyed drawing and colouring these fruits, you can have a go at home. Why don't you try pausing the video to learn one at a time? Good luck!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!